they can see the temperature of the entire people moving around there, here and there. So I think such innovative products will definitely play a very important role in bringing the confidence back. So now we have a wonderful person, Shri Kamal Bhai Patel. He is a channel partner of Johnson Diversey. Johnson Diversey is a name which hoteliers take with confidence when it comes to hygiene and sanitation.
Let's get him online, then you can introduce him so people know him. Besides, I think in the last statement which Nishit Bhai said, he very well said that, if, from the lowest level to the topmost level, it's extremely important to take care of the hygiene.
Correct.
Which I think Kamal Bhai will be able to answer a lot of questions, because Kamal Bhai is from Johnson Diversey and he has a lot of products which hoteliers, restaurant owners can use to clean up their spaces in terms of equipments or food or a lot of things. So let's talk to Kamal Bhai.
Hello Kamal Bhai.
Kam cha Kamal Bhai?
Hello dear. Hi Chitali, Suril Bhai, how are you?
I am fine, thank you very much. It was a wonderful impart from Nishit भाई. उन्होंने काफी सारे अच्छे इनोवेटिव पॉइंट्स बताए कि वो जैट डेयरी में उनके फैक्ट्री आउटलेट पर फॉलो कर रहे हैं. नाउ Kamal Bhai Patel of Shrikant Marketing, who is a channel partner of Johnson Diversey, is online with us. So to give you a brief, many of us know Kamal Bhai. There are a lot of restaurateurs, entrepreneurs, there are hoteliers online. So, but there are a lot of foodies and connoisseurs also who might not know Kamal Bhai. To give a small introduction, of course, if I describe about Kamal Bhai, then it will take an entire session because we have had some amazing discussions and I know Kamal Bhai since ages now. तो उनकी बातें करने बैठेंगे तो शायद ये पूरा सेशन लग जाएगा. लेकिन he started his career since 2002 with a small distributorship of Wonder Masala. Of course, with Wonder Masala, he has also grown, and incidentally and interestingly, he is a channel partner of Johnson Diversey with lot of other exotic products of retail, food sector and sanitary sector. So welcome on board Kamal Bhai, and thank you for joining for WeCare initiative, in which we are trying to become bridge between restaurants and the connoisseurs.
Right. So we are part of a WeCare also, because we also help people to get more care about their operations as of now. So nowadays the initial hiccup for all the restaurant owners are how to reopen after COVID.
Correct.
Right.
And then after what the present challenges they would be facing, and how they can maintain the hygiene level inside the premises. Not, as you said, it is not required to follow the HACCP guidelines, but nowadays it is a basic need of everyone, not only for cleaning hygiene but a sanitized cleaning level.
Right.
When, as very well Nishit Bhai said, and I have also gone through that video, and this is a mandatory action everyone should describe about themselves. As a hotelier or restaurant owner, if you are following the protocol of hygiene and sanitation, what best effort you are putting in, you should also invest in broadcasting to the customers by social media as well. Like what are the processes you are following? You are sanitizing your front area, your back area, your processes. You are doing the sanitization with the sanitizing machines, and you are doing the hygienically dishwashing. That everything has to be get promoted, so people grow the confidence to come again with a full-fledged, that open-minded as previously it was happening.
True.
Right. So, Suril, like he rightly said, that your Johnson Diversey exists since decades. You've been working with Johnson Diversey for such a long time, but a lot of us here don't know exact connection between Johnson and Johnson, which is like a world-renowned company, and Johnson Diversey. तो थोड़ा उसके ऊपर आप highlight कर सकते हैं ताकि हमें पता चले कि what is Johnson and Johnson and what is Johnson Diversey doing.
There is absolutely. I'll clear it out. There is no connection with Johnson and Johnson and Johnson Diversey. Johnson Diversey previously, 2 decades back, it was Johnson Diversey Wax Professionals.
Okay.
And in India, they have been partnership with Hindustan Unilever. Previously, Hindustan Unilever was supplying Diversey products.
Okay.
Right.
And Johnson and Johnson is a different company who is into cosmetic and personal care products. So
Right, exactly.
So Johnson brothers are finding similar name, but they are all together different identities now.
Right. Okay, sounds good. Thank you for clarification. But Johnson Diversey has an equal standing when it comes to hygiene solutions for anybody. You know, 5-star hotels to regular restaurant owners, all of them use Johnson Diversey.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Kamal bhai, so coming back on the point of lockdown and corona pathogons and everything. So now you represent Johnson Diversey for Ahmedabad and a lot of parts of Gujarat. So I have a very important question that has Johnson Diversey has a planned specific strategy, and do you have some specific products so that we can fight corona in the restaurants, because restaurant is a very complex job in the way not only it has various departments, but also a lot of operations take at a single point of time. So here the question is to take care about hygiene in detail and fast.
Okay.
So we have back area, we have production area, and we have dining area. So all the three aspects we have to take care about. And when Johnson Diversey comes into picture, it has to think about 360 degrees. So can you throw some light at what innovative solution Johnson Diversey brings when after lockdown, the corona lockdown gets over?
Correct. As yesterday Narendra Modi said that corona is not going to leave us so early. So we have to start getting ourselves safe to corona. Now in Diversey we have got lot many products. Like they have got industry specific products. For hospitals they have got different products. For food processing industry they have different products. For restaurants they have different products. For laundry they have different products, and for journal area they have got different products. In this all segment you have got products which are able to fight with corona. But in that case, need of every segment is different. Like the need of a food processing industry and need of a hospital is altogether different.
Right.
Same way, comparing restaurant to a food processing industry, there is again a difference of need of hygiene.
True.
Like we have got virocidal products like Virex, which is US FDA approved. Virex is being used across 185 countries in world, and dilution of that is just 5 to 10 ml in a liter of a water. You can spray it, you can fog it, you can do the cold fogging system, including other outer area, office area, public area too. ICU, NICU and pediatric ICU and operation theaters also can be get 100% corona free by this product. But again, when this product comes into our industry, food industry, restaurant industry, in restaurant this product can be used, but minutely and consciously it has to get rinsed after sprayed on the food contact areas. So when it is food, we have to use some of the products which are food safe chemicals. Like everyone must be, many of the friends must be knowing Tasky products. Johnson Diversey has a similar name is Tasky. Johnson Diversey कुछ को पता नहीं है, बोले Tasky ले आए घर के.
Totally.
So, Tasky is product which is for housekeeping. It is not meant for kitchen. For kitchen, the product should be very gentle and food safe. For that, Diversey has got Suma range of chemicals. So Suma stands for kitchen hygiene products. In Suma, we have got Suma BAC. BAC, BAC stands for bacteria. Suma BAC. In short term, they call D10. It is a product which can be used in every area. Like in a restaurant, we keep two segments. Like FOH, front of the house, and BOH, that is back of the house. In our terminology, we call it a FOH and BOH. So we segment two areas. FOH, that is front of the house. Front of the house, starting from the entry, the door handles, then you have a cashier counter, then you have got your dining area, they have got tables, chairs, menus, tent cards, and lot many things which many of the people are going to handle it. Like it is the most prominent concern area, because there your staff would also be touching the things, your guests would also be touching the things. The human hand touching, which is the highest conscious area, which is the front of the house, FOH area. In FOH area, this Suma BAC material can be used with just 15 ml per 1 liter of water.
Fantastic.
Wow.
then you just spray it and wipe it. That's it. You have to have a dedicated cloth for
Person.
wiping it.
Okay.
Menu, tables, chairs, door handles, cashier counters, including bathroom, washroom. We have washroom handles.
Right.
Washroom handles.
Right.
Then
Very
in
important.
washroom.
All knobs, I think, all the door knobs
Yeah.
and everything. Yes.
Yeah, all the knobs. That is multi-hand touching. Like many people
Right.
are touching it.
Right.
In washroom, you have WC covers, then taps like wash basin taps and
Yes.
flush taps, and if you have a
Yes.
push button flush, then you also. So at every frequency, if it is a good running, if you can dedicate it a single person who would be taking care of FOH, उसको एक ही काम करना है, सुमा बैग का 15 ml सॉल्यूशन का एक स्प्रे बॉटल रखना है हाथ में और एक उसको क्लॉथ रखना है डेडिकेटेड फॉर दैट पर्पस. Whenever there is a change of cover, जैसे मेरा कवर खत्म हुआ, आप लोग बैठ रहे हैं, इन बिटवीन टाइम, जैसे मूवीज में 2 ब्रेक के बीच में पूरी क्लीनिंग होती है, so we have to adopt a system that when the cover is changing, you have to sanitize all the surfaces which are hand touched.
Right. Chairs and tables and everything. Right.
Yeah. So that is front of the house. See, we have got 10 different chemicals. If someone asks, I want specific product for specific application, we have got more than 300
Yes.
products. But
Yes,
at
yes.
this point of time, we wanted to keep only 3 or 4 products.
So what are the 3 key products? Can you quickly jot down that 3 particular things which a restaurant owner should compulsorily use to avoid and
One
throw
is, I
away?
think,
Yeah.
the Suma range is something that is extremely important when it comes to the...
Suma bag is must required.
Sorry.
No problem. Suma bag is must required. Suma multi, which is detergent for everything. Multi stands for multi-purpose. You can
Right.
wash your kitchen floor, kitchen tiles, your utensils, your cooking counters, everything. When you need detergent to wash anything, Suma multi can be used for every product, like crockery, cutlery, glasses. Your
Sounds good. So one is the
everything.
Suma product, the other is a Tasky, which I think housekeeping uses.
so we are
Right?
not-
These are the main
so we
focus
are-
areas when it comes to hotels and restaurants.
Yeah,
Right, so
that's
a lot of
everything.
Yes, okay. So a lot of restaurant owners and hoteliers must have now contacted you considering the current virus situation in the environment. So
Yeah.
can you talk a little about them and how have they approached you and how are you going to be dealing with those that situation?
For example, we will take a Choice into example. Choice and from
Yes.
the north. So
Right.
they are good friends of mine. Like every hotel.
Baiju bhai is already online.
friends is
Yes.
like-
Baiju bhai online है तुम्हारे?
Sheil and everything. Baiju is online also. So me and Baiju was having a word. Like I put these products on my status. So Baiju called me up. Kamal bhai, it is going to reopen. What best we can do it, kind of thing. So we have suggested them. आपने शायद उनका वीडियो देखा होगा. They have also made a video for sanitizing. They are using the battery sprayer. We are also supplying these sprayers also. So
Right.
in that also, so 3 products we can have. One is Suma Multi, Suma Back, and Suma Tab. Tab is the vegetable sanitizer.
Awesome.
Super. Okay, sounds good, sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean the restaurants have already started approaching you. That's a great sign. So now the question is it only useful for restaurants or can it be used for domestic? Because these are very interesting products, and when you are confidently saying that it has something to do with eliminating coronavirus, then can these products used for domestic use? I
Yeah,
mean
home usage.
घर में use domestic usage हो सकता है? Is it safe? अगर safe है तो ये सब कहाँ मिलता है?
It is completely safe. If it is a restaurant, that is a kitchen which is in a big scale. At your house, that is also a kitchen. You make the same thing. You make sabji, you make roti. Also, restaurant makes sabji roti. But that's the larger scale area. We have a smaller scale area. So kitchen
Right.
is kitchen. You
Right.
if
But
you
sir,
are-
as in like a housewife, जैसे मैं हूँ
Yeah.
घर पे और मुझे I don't know where to buy Johnson Diversey products. So do you have outlets where we could buy these kind of products? And besides, before that, Vinod Bhai from At Mango, the owner there, he has been asking that do you have any product, any liquid product to disinfect vegetables in particular?
સુમા ટેબનું થોડુંક વિશ્લેષણ કરો ને.
Sumatab
Okay.
मैं explain करता हूँ. Sumatab is a chlorine base, but that chlorine of this is a very higher grade chlorine, not like the sodium hypochlorite or other chlorine.
Right.
What you have to use that is one tablet into 15 liter of water you have to put it. It will
Okay.
get dissolved into it. Then whatever vegetable you have bought from the market, you just wash it once thoroughly. Use as resin under the tap water, and then
Right.
you just let them dip inside that solution what you have made. If it is a quantity is higher, then you have to have a 30 liter and you put 2 tablets. According to that,
Right.
in multiple of 15 to 1, you can raise your quantity.
Right.
So whatever vegetables you are getting from the market, you wash it and just dip inside that solution. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Then
Okay.
take it out and don't rinse again. It is self-stable chlorine.
Okay, don't rinse it. So it is
No,
food grade
no
basically. So that is not an
rinsing.
issue.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So once you have taken it out, there would be chance that it has got a residual chlorine, but it will automatically get evaporated. You put it for 5-10 minutes or 20 minutes outside before
Okay.
putting it to freezer or your container.
Right.
So that chlorine will get evaporated, and it is a stable product. You can
Amazing, sir. Sujay bhai is asking that where shall we get it? Because I was telling you before few days. Now ये सब चीजें malls में और grocery store में मिलनी चाहिए chemist के वहाँ पर, क्योंकि आप बोल रहे हो कि industrial product है, अभी ये industrial product नहीं रहने वाली है. आप बताइए थोड़ा सर.
नहीं, that is true, but whenever you pick a product from us, like I can supply the products once we are waiting for the full-fledged opening. We are operating right now, but not into full-fledged.
Right. So I think diversity should actually diversify into retail outlets as well. So yes, sir. So wishing you all the best. Do you want to say something to people who are listening to you right now and who want to?
Yeah,
Who are your
so
customers?
I just wanted to say only thing is that precaution is the best cure we can take. May it
Right.
be to ourselves, our people, our guests, or our processes. Whatever is that, precaution is the only thing what we can do as of now.
Right.
And for precautions, these are the only thing. You have mask to your staff, cap wearing, gloves wearing, then. Even one point I would like to share, very important point. People are nowadays saying that sanitize your hand very frequently. Rather than that, we should have to have a habit to our people who are into food contact area. At every 45 minutes, they should wash your hand, not sanitize the hands.
Very good. Yeah, I think that's a great point. Yes.
Yeah, because
Correct.
if your hands are soiled, if you sanitize and then you wash your hand, you will get dirt coming out of your hands. So, if the dirt is lying over there, your skin pores will not get sanitized.
Right. Okay.
Applying sanitizer.
Anyway, thank you
Only
so much,
sanitizer.
Kamal bhai, for joining for WeCare.
Pardon?
Right.
I just
Vinod, I
had
have
a
a
call
question
to react. Sorry.
about the fruits. That's okay. That's okay. We can hear you. Vinod bhai had a question that can the Suga tab be
Just a
used for
second.
fruits? Vinod bhai, yes, it
Pardon?
can be used for fruits as well, and
Yeah.
it's in the same process we use it on vegetables. So thank you so much, Kamal bhai, for joining us. We can hear you perfectly
Pleasure is mine.
fine. We heard you perfectly
Yeah.
all right.
And you have some amazing information. You have a lot of stuff which you have discussed with me. So if
Correct.
somebody wants to get in touch with Kamal bhai is there on their Instagram in the name of Kamal_Shrikant Marketing, right?
Correct. Anyone who needs any detail, not only selling about product, if anyone needs any information about cleaning, hygiene and sanitation, we would love to share the information with them. It is not about buying the products only. It is sharing the
Right.
knowledge also. We are ready for it. No problem.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
so much.
Thank you.
for
Thank
joining.
you. Thank you.
So here was Kamal bhai of Shrikant Marketing, Johnson Diversey channel partner with us, and shared some amazing, unique information about products which can not reduce coronaviruses but eliminate coronavirus, which are if they are in our home or workplace. So let's welcome the person from Lijjat Khaman. Namaste. We have a lot of people join in. Karan Paji, my ex-colleague from TGB. Sujay bhai is there. and Dilip Rochwan is also here. So we welcome you all. Kunal Bhai of Das Company is also there. So let's welcome them. And now online we have is none other than Tejas Bhai Panchal from Jan Shakti Industry. We straight away get him in because the time is clicking.